Hi there, this is my final website, my final project for the class. I created this website for a nonprofit called Cauldron. I took a lot of liberty with the idea that it could be a fake charity or a fake nonprofit that we created a website for, and so the one I did was for Harry Potter. So sort of like fill a backpack with school supplies for kids here in reality. This is for witches and wizards going to Hogwarts. So we start here obviously with the note-taking photo, sort of educational themed, and what changed the wizarding world with education. And throughout the entire page, I used house colors for Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw and Slytherin and Gryffindor. And I tried to stay away from Slytherin and green just because I felt like they would be less likely to donate because they're Slytherin. So you'll kind of see that throughout. We go in here and we have different photos of students studying, a little bit about how you can help students and why it's important. Then we go into items that can be donated, from learning equipment to personal items and clothing, to textbooks. Big long list of textbooks, but I took out everything by Lockhart. And then kind of some of the standard learning equipment, as well as some personal items such as bed linens and trunks and brooms, wizard's chest, and then clothing, dress robes for special occasions, such as the wizard's cup are included in there. Also, there's a note saying that they can't take owls, cats, or toads, but that they could still be donated by contacting the school directly or the Ministry of Magic. Then we have more students here. It's kind of interesting. There's a lot of younger students that you can find pictures of for Hogwarts, which is interesting. And then if you wanted to do more than just donate items, you could sponsor a student directly by like sponsoring their tuition and whatnot. And so you could do that by filling out the form here, and it asks for your flu network. Yeah. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I thought the colors were pretty fun and it was fun to create and be creative with. So I really enjoyed this class and hope you all did too.